do my science experiment, and science is my favorite subject because there are a lot of things to learn, to experiment. That's why I love science a lot. And what about you? What's your favorite subject? If it is science, if your favorite subject is science too, then you are going to enjoy this video a lot. It's about science experiment. I have all the materials I need. And name of this is Chroma illusion. You will get to know more about this when we start the video. So before that, I want to tell you I have red color, blue color and yellow. And these are organic color and non-toxic. These are safe for child like me to use. And I can use these safely without any chemical. Okay, so let's start. So all the materials needed are 2 test tubes. You have seen this lot in science, and a test tube holder, hold the test tube, and I need a transparent glass, a little bit of milk in a bowl, and 3 colors, a scoop, and a storage tray which I can store. Okay, so let me start. What I am going to do is, first I will place these test tubes here, and I will fill the test tubes almost till the brim, like this. Okay, now this one. Now I will add 2 drops of red color in the test tube number 1, which is this one. Okay, 2 drops of red color I have added the first one, and in the second one I will add 2 drops of blue. Okay, and now I will add 1 scoop of milk. Okay, and now I will stir them well. Nicely. Okay, now I am done with stirring. Now, what is the use of the transparent glass? Any idea? What I am going to do with it is add half cup of water, not full. Yes, that much. Now I will add yellow color. 2 drops of yellow color. Now I will stir it well. It's looking golden, right? It's yellow. Now everything is done. Now you see the first test tube, which is red color. I will dip this test tube into the transparent glass. What is the color? It's red. And what is the color in the glass? It's yellow. Now magic begins. Look. But now what is the color? You see, the color has turned orange. You see, it's really orange. And now it's red again. There's a new color formed. You see the new color? Wow. Now let's do it with the second test tube as well, which is blue color. This is yellow. Now we will add it. Wow, it's green color. Did you see the green color? A new color has formed. You see, now it's again blue. So what's the science behind it? Wasn't it really incredible? I loved it. But what's the science behind this? Obviously, there is a science behind every experiment, including Chroma illusion. And the science behind this is when 2 colors overlap, they form a new color. When 2 colors mix together, they will form a really new color. Example, red color and blue color will form purple. Green will be formed by mixing blue and yellow, and red and yellow will make orange. 2 colors overlap to form a new color. So it's called an illusion. Illusion is the meaning of illusion is create an impression. We feel that the color is green. Look, but the color is not really green. It's just an illusion. Okay, so that was the science behind this. and I hope you all enjoyed the video very much. For more like these videos, subscribe my channel, like my channel and share it with other people, and I will make new videos with interesting contents, and I will do more experiments and more exclusive videos. You remember one day I was saying the word and the thought for the day, and I promised you that one day I will make a exclusive video on science experiment. Yes, I did, and I didn't forget my promise, and I have fulfilled my promise. So, okay, I hope you enjoyed the video very much, and you can try these experiments at home too.